How to see how many hours you have played a game on PS4. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To see the hours you have played on your PS4, you can actually view the hours. However, it will not display the accurate time being for you. Now, if you have toggled on the family management for a PS4, you can actually do so. In that case, you can easily tap on the settings gear option or the settings icon at the bottom of your PS4 console. When you tap on it, you'll be displayed with a list of options on settings. Tap on the option of parental control or family management. From here again, select on the family management option given to you. When you tap on it, you might see the option called Family Management or the name that you have input, and you can easily check out the time your someone has played on PS4. You can also go ahead and manage your playtime settings. You can set it to restrict or to not restrict after a certain time being as well. Interesting thing about it, you can easily add a child or an adult in it and manage your time being for your PS4 as well. To set up a family management, you need to visit to your PSN website. From there, check out the settings and enter a family management for yourself or for a child. By that way, you'll be easily able to see the hours you played on a game on your PS4. Which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.